morning. Was just inspired to talk a little about temptations, because today I was reading lesson 272 in A Course in Miracles. It's called "How Can Illusions Satisfy God's Son?" And this is all about how we seem to hunt illusions instead of staying in the peace of God. And it really is about how we seem to prefer a state of mind that brings us fear and guilt instead of a state of mind that brings us love, joy, and peace. And somehow we constantly seem to be presented with temptations to treasure illusions over God. And it could be illusions, temptation to be right about something, a temptation to fight for something, the temptation to fear something, the temptation to get something, the temptation to think you are alone, the temptation to think that you want to keep something instead of sharing it, and the temptation to see yourself as not worthy. And now it could just be the temptation to hunt for gold, the idea that you want to get something out there. And the temptations are everywhere, and our ego mind will make sure that we are tempted. And really tempted to leave the peace of God for an illusion, because somehow in that moment, that illusion seems to be more important than the peace of God. The problem is that the result of following a temptation is never peace. The feelings you're left with are always guilt and fear, not peace and joy. And no matter how important it seemed to go with that temptation, the result, the feeling you're left with, is always based on fear or guilt. So what we really have to learn is to be aware of these temptations, and to stop in that moment when we are presented to them, and ask ourselves if we really want to choose fear and guilt when heaven could be chosen just as easily. And in that moment, love and peace and joy will happily replace all fear in our mind. And the state of mind is brought back to where God is, in the peace and the joy and the love. So this is really something we should train. Be aware. I am tempted now to do something. I am tempted now to go with an illusion. I am tempted now to fight for something. Instead, just go inside, go with God, and ask what to do. And when you feel the peace, and you feel the calmness, the clarity, then you do whatever you feel you have to do. But not until you are back in that state. Good luck.